My customers don't want that. My advisors and technicians aren't very tech savvy. We don't want to pay for something extra like that. These are just some of the responses we've heard when talking to shop owners about texting their customers with their inspections and their estimates. Take a look around next time you go out to eat, grab lunch, even stopped at a stoplight, and what do you see? You see people with their heads down looking at their phones. With our two-way texting feature, Tekmessage, built inside of Tekmetric, you can move your shop into the 21st century by communicating with customers in a way that they are comfortable with, no matter their age. Studies show that 90% of text messages are opened in less than 3 minutes. 81% of Americans text regularly, and 97% of American adults text on a weekly basis. With Tekmessage, we host your shop's actual phone number, tying your customers to your shop even more because now they can call and text that local number. And it's going to appear inside of Tekmetric for you or one of your advisors to see and respond to. Send your DVI with pictures, with videos. Send the repair estimate and allow your customers to approve the repair from their phone. Often, this happens before the advisor even calls the customer to review it. This allows you to be more transparent with your customers, which is going to deepen the trust they have with you and your shop. So reach out to us today and let Tekmetric help your shop achieve new levels of communication.